So guys, today in this video, we are going to walk through how to fill up Bahamas entry card when you travel to Bahamas. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. All right, guys. So let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Bahamas arrival card. And as written that you should write only in black or blue ink. Okay, you get it at airport and also in your flight. Okay, so this section 1 is for everyone and it's very easy. Surname, first name, okay, middle initial, gender, country of birth, Bahamas, US, Canada, UK, whichever, or other country. So if in case other country provide that information, similarly about citizenship, passport number, date of birth, format is given, do like that. Home address, where you live now. It's very easy, I don't have to explain. Country of residence, email address. Arriving by, and it has to be written uppercase only, okay? Don't use small case. Arriving by airline, cruise ship, whichever is applicable. And if by airline they have listed the airlines that operate there, and if there's another airline, you can put that flight number and about your journey from where you boarded this plane and your date of arrival. This section is for visitors only. Section 2, travel agency, city of travel agency from where you booked, how many nights you are gonna stay, where you are gonna stay, address, purpose, and number of visits in last 5 years, and at the end signature. Check here if you don't wish to receive. Okay, that's fine. This section is for official use only, so don't worry about this. And this is how it works, guys. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.